So now move to our next concept, that is templates. So first of all, let's understand what are templates. Template is a file that serves as a starting point for a new document. Why you open a template? It is pre-formatted in somewhere. Okay. For example, if you want to use a template in Microsoft Word, that is formatted as a business letter. So for websites, we can also use templates. So let's understand why we use templates in our website. See, till now we have learned about HTML, CSS. So now we can make a beautiful website using HTML and CSS. I will show you an example of that. In tomorrow's session we will learn about, we will make a project about HTML and CSS. So now let's understand about template. Not everyone has visual design skills. See, everybody have a different skills. Like if you are learning this course, now you are able to use HTML and CSS. Sometimes it is difficult for you to arrange the web page in a beautiful way or in a good manner. So for that purpose or for that persons, we use templates. Because of this, there are many website templates available from which one can purchase or freely use. We have many websites which offer free templates for our websites. HTML and CSS knowledge is still required in. See, now as we have learned the HTML and CSS, so now we can understand the working of a template. Otherwise, if you directly see the templates without knowing the HTML and CSS part, then you are not able to understand that what templates do or how they will work. So that's why we have first learned HTML, CSS and various tags. Then now we have ready-made design part, that is template. So if you make use of someone else's template, you must attribute it in the footer and within the HTML. Okay, so here are some examples of templates we have taken from particular websites. I will show you some websites from where you can download template, and I will show you also like how to use templates for your website. You will find it very easy to design a website. Why? As you are now able to understand the HTML code and CSS code. So now these are some sources from where you can download templates as a free. So let me show you these particular sites and how to use these templates in your website. Okay. So first of all, just write google.com and write free templates using HTML and CSS. Free templates for HTML and CSS, because now we have learned HTML and CSS. So see, here are many websites which offer free templates. So just click on it. You will find a lot of templates here, and you can freely download it from here. Okay, so let's see any template and let me show you the preview of that particular template. See, here is the template. See, here you can see two buttons. One is your download link and second one is your live demo. See, first of all, let's see live demo. So here is the live demo of this file. So here are the links. See, it is a one-page website. That's why the link, when I click on rooms, it will move to the down part of the particular page. Then the gallery part, then the contact us part and the footer part. So here is an example of a single page website. See, when you click on block, you will come to this part. So let me show you the code of this particular template by downloading this template. Simply just try this one. This is also a Actually these are these have a JS file also, as we have not learned about JavaScript. So let's just see the templates of HTML and CSS. So here is an example. See, this is the image. This is also a one page site. So here is the example. By this you can download it. Let me show you one example from my computer. I have a template. I have many templates. See, one is this part. When you download a template, you will get a file like I have Simple Green 309. First get this file as a zip file. You have to first just simply right click on it, like the name is that. Just simply right click on it, then extract files. By this you will have a folder in this part. Click on it, OK. See, now you have a, see here. So here is the folder of that particular template. Just simply click on that. You will have mainly 3 files in it. One is your index file, that is the default file for your HTML page. One is your CSS file. It is nothing, it is a simple shortcut, you can simply delete it. And one is your images folder. All images which are used in that particular template are contained in this folder. So when you want to run this file, just simply click on index. You will see how it will look. So here is the look of this particular template. See, Cloverleaf. So here is the look. See, by using template, there is no need to divide the page by manually. You can simply get the parts of a page. Okay, so if you want to use this, so how you can use this? Simply go there. Here is the default CSS file. See, let me show you the code of this file. Open with brackets. So here is the code of CSS file of this particular template. You can change it now, as we have downloaded it, so we can change this file. Also the another one is your this index file. So this is your HTML file. Let me show you the code of this file. See, this is the code of this particular template. So now, as you all know about how HTML looks, how CSS works, so now you can understand this code easily. That's why now I am going to explain you this particular template. See, here is the code. So starting from HTML, then meta tag is basically used for search engine optimization. When we are going to optimize our website, we use this meta tag. So as now we are not doing any optimization for our website, just simply you can delete this meta tag from here and from here also. It will not affect your website. See, here is the title. If you want to change, then you can simply change it from here. It is an editable file. Then here is the link which CSS file is using here. It's used by this particular HTML file. And these are the particular blocks of this particular page. By div tag or by table tag, you can make blocks, or you can divide the page of your website. So here are the links. So you can change any part of this particular page and make a beautiful website in a very easy manner. Okay, so here are different parts of this particular template. Let me show you again how it looks. See, so here is the look of this page. This is just a simple example of template. You can download a number of 1,000 of templates from website at free of cost and make a beautiful website and upload it on the server. So try to use templates. Thank you.